I just got out from the Asian market, guys, and I tried to take a video, pero yung group ng mga kids doon parang nahalata nila, so I have to turn my phone down para safe lang. So we need to respect their privacy, kaya yon ang focus nasa simento na ang focus ng camera, but anyway, just to avoid any problem. Okay guys, I just naubusan, hindi naman naubusan, halfway na ang gas natin, so I went over here to get some gas. So I pick 89 and just got $15 para sa ating gas this week. So yun, I have to make sure wala nang tumutulo kasi last time I pull it fast and then yun nasayang yung iba. So yun ang tip dito, dapat wala nang tumutulo kasi every drop of that gas is money. Charot. Yun, tapos na tayo. And ipapakita ko sa iyo, that's 15. So, I went inside the store para bayaran 15. Yun. Yun guys. Thank you. Everyone, good afternoon. I hope everyone is doing well. Happy Sunday over here and Monday in the Philippines. So we have here a short grocery haul which I'm gonna share with you guys. Mao siya to ang food for the week, for this week. So mga lang dapat i-supplements lang, so whatever we have over here right now. So may Sprite tayo para sa umay, of course. And this is $1.68. And a cabbage. This is, I guess, $1.50. We have here orange juice. And yun talaga ang paborito ko, yung may with pulp. Yung may mga residue ng orange. Yun ba yung tawag? Basta, that's my favorite. So, chayote, isang piraso. Kasi ako lang kumakain yan. And chayote over here in our Walmart is $1.18. Isang piraso. We have celery. And madali ang snacks para sa aking asawa. $1 each burrito. So, I don't know. I haven't tried this. Pero usually, siya nilalagyan niya ng hot sauce pag tinatamad magluto. So we have orange, which is $4.38 a bag. And we have here rib eye steak, which is 14 something. By the way, ilagay na natin to sa sa freezer ba o ref? Baka lutuin to na aking asawa. Refrigerator na lang muna. Okay. Balik. We have here ginger, which is, magkano ba yung ginger? Nandito ba? $1.15, $1.89. Ito. And, broccoli. Yan ang aking na-haul sa Walmart. Yun lang ang kailangan namin para sa this week. So, these are my haul from the Asian store. We have pancit canton, magkakanton ako. As you can see, that is $2 something. $2.89. And guys, kinain ko na ang isa. Ang butchi nila, 75 cents. I got 3, I mean. So, kinain ko ng isa. I'm gonna make coffee para kakainin ko pa yan. I'm excited. Ito, guys, ano ba to sa Tagalog? Sa amin, to? Saba? Sa Bisaya. I guess I paid $3 for this, pero I don't buy often kasi nga mahal, di ba? Pero nag-crave talaga ako. Gusto ko siyang i-barbecue or maybe half of this i-boil lang. Sa Bisaya, binoboil lang namin to and then kinakain sa bagoong ginamos sa amin. Yun, ang sarap. Anyway, so this is the first time also I tried this one. Ubo ng ubo ang asawa ko, kaya nga bumili ako ng ginger. Pero I saw this one also in the Asian store. It says scarf off herb tea. So ito try natin to. This is $6.99. Para siyang medicine. So We have, Skyflakes. Ako lang din ang kumakain nito. Ayaw nila. Ayaw ng asawa ko. So, perfect to pang snack sa trabaho. Yung favorite ko is talaga yung plain lang. Ayoko yung may mga palaman. And, another stuff I got from the Asian store, tinatlo ko na kasi it's like 30 minutes drive away from here, from where we live. So, sayang ang gasolina. This is for something. Pero malaki siya at mabigat. Talagang heavy duty ang laki niya. So, pandikoko, dalawang pack. That's $8, no? Pero okay lang. And a pack of pandesal. So, 3, 6, 9, 10. For 3 something. 3.39. So, yun. Yan ang aking na-haul from the Asian store. Dalawang Asian store ang pinuntahan ko. Kasi, yung isa walang Skyflakes. Pero, kakailangan ko talaga to this week. Nauusan ako. And, yun guys. Yun ang aking pinamili. And, I hope everybody is doing well. Have a great Monday, everyone. And thank you for watching. Bye.